Alright, they asking for the queen. I'm a bad bitch, she's a savage. Look back while I turn. No comparison.
Hey guys, it's Andrea here. Welcome and welcome back to my channel, aka my internet home. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing like a little mini decorate with me for Christmas, but it's gonna be mostly like a clean with me. It took me a while to clean the room, so it's not like 1000% the way I want it, but yeah, so it's a decorate with me slash clean with me slash a little tiny room tour. I'll do like an in-depth room tour like later on in the month, maybe. If you guys want it, let me know down in the comments. But before we get into that video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification button so you're notified every single time I post. Now that that's all done, let's get right into the video. My camera is dying, so I'm gonna charge it up for a bit and then put away like my miscellaneous clothing items that I have just, you know, everywhere that they shouldn't be. But when my room is like completely clean, or maybe I'll just like wait a bit, charge the camera up so I can do like a full clean with me. I'm not really sure, but I do have some cute little Christmas stuff, so when I'm done I'll just go in like bit by bit and show you guys what I've done, what I've changed, and if I plan, so when I'm done I'll just show you guys bit by bit like what I've done, what I've changed, if I plan on doing anything else. I wasn't really planning on doing any Christmas decorations for my room, but I got bamboozled by Jade, so I might. So now I'm kind of feeling in the Christmas spirit, so I kind of need more red, white, and gold, because that's kind of the theme that I've created for myself apparently. So okay guys, so I'm back. I let my camera fully charge up. It got a lot darker. It's like, what time is it? It is 4:37 and it looks like it's 7:30. So you know, there's that. I just turned my ring light on. I left my room exactly the way it was when you guys last saw it. I just I did put up the Christmas decorations I did get for my room. I mostly get the decorations for filming purposes, not necessarily to decorate my room, because I don't know, I kind of like my room the way it is. I just added a couple Christmassy touches just because, you know, it is Christmas. I'm not doing Vlogmas. So Don't come at me for that. I'm just not doing Vlogmas. I can't do 25 days of straight video, but I will give you some Christmas content here and there. So I'm just going to set you guys back up on my tripod, and then we can get right into the cleaning. Hey guys, so I'm finally done. Excuse this noise in the background. It's my mom watching some type of kickboxing video. I don't know. But I'm finally done with cleaning my room for tonight. I'm not done like in general, but I'm done for tonight. My room is like rather organized now. It's just like going in with the little details and whatnot. So I'm just gonna give you like a little quick tour, nothing really big. Maybe I'll do like an in-depth tour later on in the month. I'm not really sure yet, but yeah, so I'll just show you what's going on right now. So I just still have some stuff here. I got my perfume collection here that I'm trying to like organize or whatnot. I gotta throw this bag out. This is the purse I was wearing, some resistance band, and this down here is my curling wand. Then over on this side, I just unpacked my bag. I just got home today, so I still have some things that I packed up, like my makeup and my makeup brushes. Got a razor. I gotta like organize my makeup right here. But this is something that I did. Ooh, did I crack it? No, I didn't crack it, but it's a little scratched. So this is something I did get at Target. Not necessarily for Christmas. I just really liked it. She doesn't twirl or anything. I just realized she doesn't twirl, but it does play music. I gotta find a different spot for this. I don't really think I'm gonna keep it here. I might, but I also have to, you know, reorganize this. This is, I didn't really change anything over here. This is just what it normally looks like. I have my mask on top of my bag, so don't forget it. Chapstick, whatever. Now, my bed is what I really did the most to. Not really, to be honest. I just got like a Christmas throw from Target. This Christmas pillow. Somebody already gifted me this Santa Spidey, this Spidey Santa. That's what I call him. Spidey Santa. So you'll be seeing him in the back of my videos for a while. I always bring him out during Christmas because I think it's so freaking cute. Then I just have like a stocking stuffer with my A initial right there for Andrea, because you know, it's me. And then have yourself a merry little Christmas, that little artwork right there. It got a little scratched up in the car. I don't know if you guys can see it. I can. I don't know if you can, but yeah. I'm just gonna end today's video off right here. So that's it. So if you didn't get to it at the beginning of the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification button so you're notified every single time I post. I love you all so much, and I can't wait to see you in the next one. Bye.
Alright, they asking for the queen. I'm a bad bitch, she's a savage. Look back while I twerk. No comparison.
I'm a savage, yeah. Classy, bougie, ratchet, yeah.